thing that I discussed with you, I am very serious about it. I can't rest without seeing myself on that throne. I keep visualizing it. Each night that I go to bed, I see myself as the next king of this kingdom. How am I going to bring it to reality? You are the kingmaker. Tell me what it will take so that I will become the next king of this kingdom. No, tell me the price that I will pay. They don't call me DJ for nothing. It is because of my antecedents. Please.
Ogadi.
No.
You know, if it's left for me, I will have crowned you the king for long. I don't doubt your capabilities. You are man enough to be the king of this kingdom. But you see, Esin is the one who announces who wears the crown. Because the gods will appoint and he will announce. So my hands are tied.
No. Your hands are not tied. The gods will not always decide for us. Sometimes we should be able to stand on our feet and do some things on our own. We should be able to stand on our own. And we are humans. And the gods should understand. In this case, we are talking about kingship. It is not who will rule the gods or the spirits, but who will be a king amongst men. So men should be able to stand and pick their king. And you are the kingmaker. You are the Ono. It is you that will gather other elders. And you will make a decision. Then the gods will have to obey it because they listen to us. Oh no, tell me the price. Tell me what I will pay, and I will pay. I am capable.
Ogadi, I'm with you. I am standing with you in toto. Like I told you before, if it is in my power, I will crown you the king here and now. But Esin will not agree to that.
Who is Esin? We are talking about important business. Why are you calling Esin in this matter? Esin, somebody made him Esin. Somebody made him Esin. Oh no. You are the kingmaker, like I said before. We will find ways around this. Esin is not the king of this kingdom. And he must not dictate for us all the time. Wait. Oh no. I came prepared. Ogadi.
Is this for me?
For you alone.
Me alone?
You alone. And this is just a little to compare with what I have in stock for you if you make this dream to become a reality.
Hey! Ogadi will never cease to amaze me. In fact, as the kingmaker and the know of this kingdom, I will do something about this. Ogadi, Igabago.
I believe you.
Igabago.
I believe you.
But Ogadi, remember, my fellow Ichias, something like this, so that I can convince them.
Oh no, they don't call me DG for nothing. And I'm okay. I will send a message across. I will bring something that you will give to them. Each and every one of them. Tell them that when I become king, Obiamana.
Oh!
Obiamana.
Oh!
Obiamana.
Oh! Nyamia. Did you know where? Igabago. Igabago. Iso wadro. Gwan. This is for me. Atwig. Bakawi. You will make a good king, Ogadi. Hey! Did you hear Nemon?
No, we are there.
I invited you all here. This is from Ogadi. He wants to make his intention known to us. You know? The selection for the next igwe of this kingdom is at hand. And I believe that there is no other person capable as Ogadi to be our next king. So he's seeking for your support.
If we don't give him our support, what do we stand to gain? He is capable, so he has our support.
What if the gods decides to give someone else? All of us know that the ways of the gods are not the ways of men.
Okonkwo, that's why I summoned us here together. So that we put head together and agree on one thing. If we with one mind agree that Ogadi will be our king, the gods have no say on it. They will allow us to do what we want. Yes, we are the ones who need the king, not the gods.
Oh no, if you say so, there's absolutely nothing we can do. Moreover, Ogadi remains the best option. So I will urge you to relate to him that we are solidly behind him.
Just like Iche Okonkwo said earlier, if the gods decide to choose someone else, what can we do? There is nothing we can do because they have the final say.
Obiekwe, I don't agree with that. We have to let the gods know that we are human beings. We are the ones who will say what we want. If, like I said before, if we all with one voice and stand our ground, that Ogadi will be our king, the gods have no option than to agree with us, unless we begin to waver. But if we stand together, Jidigbam, the gods will know that we mean business, and they will give us what we want. Yes.
Okugi Kwoto, he has our support.
Oh no. Tell Ogadi, say nice ya chegaba.
I will relay your message to him.
Do that, please.
I will relay to him.
Do.
And I want you people to understand one thing. Ogadi is our man. His reign will favor all of us. So, let's stand with him.
As in Nobuguru Sonka, Ogadi na ekwuli ya n'azụ. Ekwuli ya n'azụ.
Also kwa kanguni. N'ebe nke asị pụta na ọka dị mmaji. Ọzọ ka na-abịa.
Aima. Kama na elu ya n'ụlọ ịbịakwuru n'ụlọ ka ịnụ ụlọ kapa ka ịnya.
Gbasara ozugbo m. Otu ọ bụla unu si ma gbasara m.
Ị na-edekwa anya ka onye mmiri na-eri.
Oyi na-atụmba. Oyi na-atụmba. What you are seeking for is impossible. No one has the powers to make a king except the gods.
Ezemo, you are the eye of the god and the messenger of the gods. Commune with them. Tell them what we want. We want Ogadi to be our king. Ask them what do they want. What will it take to name the king of this Idane kingdom? Tell us.
Oh no. Onye na-akụ aka na-akụ aka n'elu aka akụrụ akụ. Ọkụ aka kụwa aka. Oyi na-atụmba. From the time of our forefathers, this has always been our tradition. Even before our existence, it has been in existence. No one has the power. I repeat, nobody can change it. Only the gods have the final say.
Ezemo, why are you speaking like a novice? We all know that the so-called tradition was made by men and can be changed by men. Whatever we agreed upon, we let the gods know and offer some sacrifices to them for them to approve it.
Not in this scenario, Ichi Okonkwo. This tradition was not made by men. It has been in existence. The gods, I repeat, only the gods can do anything. Else, no one can utter a word about it.
Not even sacrifices. Huh? Ezemo, Ogadi is capable of anything. Just tell him what he needs to sacrifice to the gods so that he can sit on the throne and they will be provided. Yes. He's even ready to provide bags and bags of cowries just to mount the throne. And he's even ready to give up his numerous farmlands. Ezemo, just think about it. Think about it.
Ichiobiekwe, the gods are not hungry. They can own whatever they wish to own. As I said before, no one has the right to change anything. The gods has spoken, and that is final. And let me repeat once more, I do not want to hear that name Ogadi again till the gods speaks.
Elders, let us.
Kazibapo. Kapo. Aburezioko. Jesse. Juziese. If you go Aburezioko. Kapo. Let us go.
Ezemo, as you know what this kingdom, I advise you to commune with your gods. We are the kingmakers. Tell them what we want. Let's hear from them. I advise you to do that. If enwere case here, enwere case here me. Talk to the gods.
Oh no. Onye na-akụ aka n'elu aka akụrụ akụ. Ọkụ aka.
You see, first, if you want to fire an animal, you first of all, you relax your mind, You target, you focus, aim, You use your eye, one eye like this to look at this line, Aim, before you fire. You understand me? Adam, now, we will try it. I want you to breathe in, out, Oh yeah, focus. You know, when you want to fire without missing, your mind and your vision will work together as one, so that you will fire without missing. Remember that one. Relax. Focus. You see that big tree there? Let us imagine that that is our target. I want you to point it, aim at the middle there, the center there, to fire. Are you ready?
Yes.
No. I say, you straighten your hand. Ready?
Yeah.
Ada, oh yeah, fire! Hey, Adam. Hey, this is not bad at all. You tried, but you see, you missed. Don't worry. With more practice and practice, you will have perfection.
Papa,
Adam.
there is something that is bothering me.
Oh, Ujunwa, Ogini, talk to your father.
Why is it that we don't talk to anybody in this village? Why is it that we don't communicate with anybody? We are not allowed to visit anybody and nobody is allowed to visit us. What is our crime? I've asked Mama this question several times, but she only tells me that I will not understand, and sometimes it is good to be alone.
Your mother is right, Mom. You will not understand now. But when the time is ripe, you will understand. You see, Ada, we live among evil people. We live among evil people who do not want to see us progress or prosper. You see, the kind of people we have around us, even those that pretend to smile and laugh with us, they are dangerous. It is he who is closest to the person that will kill him. Do you understand? Don't worry. Oh,
Baba, it is depressing to know that we are the only family in this village that is isolated. I think we need to go to another community to find a way out too. Okay, what if there is an emergency situation? How do we go about it?
The gods are there to protect us, Ijem. The gods are wiser than men. Do you understand me? You see, there is nothing that can happen without the gods giving a go-ahead for it to happen. Do not be afraid. We will not have an emergency situation that we cannot handle. Do you understand? Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Okay? Okay, let us continue with our hunting lesson. But first, remember, You put the barrel under your armpit like this. Hold it firm. There is no gunpowder in this. We will refill before we can fire again.
Okay, it will not shoot.
No, it will not shoot, but I want you to still aim. Remember, vision and mind.
Ogadi, you are here.
No, I can't sleep. I can't even stay in my house anymore. No, I'm uncomfortable. Oh no, I'm frustrated. Why is that old man frustrating me? What have I done to him? What is happening? What is this?
Ogadi, calm down. Why? What is it? Calm down, everything will be alright.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me. This is what you have been telling me. You are telling me to calm down when that old fool is doing all his best to make sure he disappoints me in this kingdom. Do you see the kind of shame that I'm facing? I can't sleep. I can't stay in my house. What does he want? Does he want more money? Tell him I can provide it. I don't want to be disappointed. I've boasted, I've told people, all my mates, everybody sees me as the next king of this kingdom. And that man is trying to frustrate me. Why? Oh no, why?
And the next king you will be. I promise you that. The next king will be. Listen, I and my elders had devised a means to get Azemu out of the way. So calm down. Everything will be alright.
You have been telling me you and your elders, what have you been able to do? Nothing. Look at me. That man is frustrating me. Tell him, what does he want? Okay, look at it here. This is money. Money. Tell him I can give him more. Give to everybody. Tell him I will give him plots of land where he will cultivate. I will build an obi for him. A befitting one. I will change his life. Does he not want to enjoy life? Tell him I'm going to give him good life. He will enjoy life. I will give him everything. Look at me. Look at me. I'm frustrated. What is happening? What is this?
I and my elders has given Ezemo every gift. We have even contributed to give to him. He rejected all of them. And that's why I tell you to calm down. Ogadi, calm down. We are working on the way to deal with Ezemo. You will be the next king. I assure you that. I am Ono, the kingmaker. Yes. Ogadi, you are no Odogu. Odogu wada akoja akoja. Odogu don't panic. Odogu wada pempe. Calm down. Everything will be alright. I assure you that.
No. Why can't we just skim this man out of the way? Why can't we just do whatever?
No. It has not gotten to that. He is the eyes of the gods. He is the eye of the gods. You can't do that to him. I say allow us. Yes. Asiano ba jos abairi ajegbe. Where am I?
Oh no. I don't want to be angry more than this. If that man pushed me to the wall, I will shut that eyes of the gods. But what can you see?
Ogadi, listen to me. Don't be angry. And don't do anything that you will regret later. Calm down. Let us allow the elders to do this in our own way. I assure you, you are the next king of this kingdom. And nobody will stop it. Not even Ezemo.
I'm counting on you.
Count on me. And I assure you it will be so.
I am counting on you.
Ogadi, stop fidgeting. Akujazina akujo odogu kevo. Odogu ade pempe. Lekwenu me shishibikon. What is all this? Why is he panicking? Ezemo, watch them. Edemo, what is the problem? You told us to meet you at the shrine today. All the elders are waiting there, and you are relaxing at home. What is going on?
Oh no, the ways of the gods are not the ways of men.
You know.
Oyi Natumba. There is no point going to the shrine to meet anyone, because the gods has finally spoken.
And what is their decision? What is the decision of the gods? Let us know.
Oh no, You already know that the decisions of the gods are always perfect. They have finally chosen he whom the cap fits.
And who is this person? Tell us his name.
Oyi Natumba. Oyi Natumba. The gods have finally chosen Ikenga, the son of late Ononenyi, to ascend the throne of Idane.
What? Who? Ikenga? That is not possible.
Are you questioning
Ikenga has been ostracized from this village. Why will God choose him? He's an outcast.
Oh no. Are you questioning the orders of the gods?
I'm not questioning the gods.
Then the gods have spoken. Go and relay the message to the other elders. That is final. Oyi Natumba.
Ezemo, this is not possible. It's not possible. We can't take it. It can't go for people. How can Ezemo say that? I can't take this. No. This is arrant nonsense. It's nonsense. It can't happen in this community. Why will he say that?
Isn't it obvious that this is a conspiracy? Huh? Why on earth would the gods choose Ikenga that we have ostracized from this village?
It's either Ezemo took over, no snap, or Ikenga used charm on him. But that will not be possible. Not even in a dream. Ikenga is not worthy to be our king. It can never happen, because if you allow it to happen, it will be a very huge slap on our face. Not in this community. It can never happen. Because if you do, I assure you that we will be laughing stock to other villages.
I can't agree with Ezemo on this. No! It's not possible. Ikenga cannot be chosen by the gods for anything. No! And we have to let Ezemo know that we know what he knows. We are no more children.
What are we all talking about? Yes. The ways of the gods are not ours. I strongly believe that there is a reason why the gods of our kingdom has chosen Ikenga to be the next king of our kingdom. Yes.
Onukwe, are you okay?
I don't care how you interpret it.
Onukwe, don't forget that Ogadi had been giving you money. When he demands it, I don't know where you get it to give him back.
Oh, I know that a day like this will come. But we can't decide for the gods.
Okay.
Just like I said earlier, it is obvious that this is a conspiracy and we must join hands together to go against it. We must stop it.
Ezemo cannot decide for us. We are the elders of this kingdom. We are the kingmakers. He can't decide for us.
Yes.
We have to tell him that this is not the way to do it. We decide who rules us. And mind you, nobody, especially you, don't allow Ogadi to know about this. If I hear it from you or he hears it, I will personally deal with you. What is wrong with you?
Oh no, allow him. I agree with what you said. We will never allow him to know. We have to conceal it within ourselves. And you, if you allow him to know of this, collectively or personally, I will deal with you.
Please, let's go. Rubbish.
If you expose it to him,
what you saw?
We will deal with you. Collectively, personally, I will.
Why will he do that? Who is Ikenga? What? Ogadi.
What am I hearing?
Ogadi, calm down. Everything is under control. Just calm down. I assure you that everything is under control.
Ikenga. Wait, Jedu. Ikenga. Wait, oh no, Ikenga. Now, my match? A poor hunter that has nothing to show for it. Son of a renowned thief. What is going on? Can say even Keku?
Ogadi, like I told you, calm down. Yeah? Everything is under control. The elders have decided not to tell him about this. He's in the dark. He doesn't know that he is the chosen one. We won't tell him until we finish what we are planning.
I suggest we do something very fast before this news will get to that fool. Because I can't imagine myself walking on the road and I will meet Ikenga, and I, Ogadema, will bow down and honor my king. May the gods forbid.
It can never happen.
Never.
Omamenata, not in this life, not in the next life. Ogadema,
what do we do?
I have a plan.
Share with me, you know.
Come close. We take Ikenga away, and people will believe that the God killed him from when he comes dead.
Oh, Naumaro.
Ada no mmadụ a na-eme mmụọ
10 plots of land.
Oh, Odogwu!
10 plots.
Onye a na-ekwu nwere ife ọ na-eme. O nwere ife eji akpọ Odogwu.
10 plots.
How?
For a start.
Gaba n'iru akwụ nge n'azụ. Gaba akwụ nge n'azụ. How? Ọ sị na ya bụ Ikenga. Ikenga na eze mmụọ. Gbanụ chere m. N'ala. Ekele dị n'ụlọ a.
Ikenga.
Hey, Onkwe, do you know I almost fired at you thinking you were an antelope? Hey.
Lower your voice. I have been searching for you in your usual places of hunting until I found you here. The gods have remembered you.
I know that men rejected me. But was there ever a time that you think, or that I told you that the gods have forgotten me? Eh?
No.
Look exactly why you are here.
I have never said that the gods have forgotten you. But remember, a toad does not run out in the daytime for nothing. It is either it is pursuing something or something is pursuing it. Ikenga, you have been chosen as the next king of our community.
Come. Let me. You are obviously running a fever. You see, you need to treat yourself. If you want, I can gather some herbs from the bush here for you. You know?
Ikenga, do I look like a child that will start ranting and running after you for nothing? See, it has been revealed that you are the next king of our community. But the elders have decided to conceal this. Possibly, I suspect there must be a conspiracy. That is why I decided to come and let you know as my very good friend.
I do not understand this. You still speak in parables. Please hit the nail on the head. Let me understand.
Ikenga, very soon, the Ezemo will summon you, and then the truth will be unveiled. Remember, you are my childhood friend.
Wait. You cannot be saying this. How can the gods choose and ostracize the man like myself, Ikenga, to become the next king of Idani kingdom? It is not practicable.
Yes. Didn't you know that the ways of the gods are different from the ways of men? Ikenga, very soon you will be crowned the king of this our community. But remember, do not forget me when you mount on that seat. You are my childhood friend, and that is why I want to reveal this to you ahead of time.
Wait. But this time, it is like you are not telling me the truth. But let us even suppose that it is true. You know you are my very good friend.
Bam.
And I trust you very, very much. Eh? So if I become the next king of Idani, you will always be by my side. Even without the king, you will still be by my side. You are my friend.
Thank you. I have to be on my way. And please, do not let anyone to know that I have revealed this to you. Thank you.
Me, Ikenga, next king of Idan. No, that is totally not possible. It is impossible. EJ, call your mother and your brother for me, eh? Hey! Gods of my ancestors. Gods of my ancestors. Amuche! Amuche, my children, Papa, I have called you together, to reveal something very, very important to you. It might sound unbelievable, but it is what it is.
I hope there is no problem.
Hey, this is no problem. This is no problem at all. It is good news. Onkwe, my best friend, came to me while I was hunting in the bush to reveal good news to me. But he said it is still a secret.
Papa, are we no longer ostracized? Are we now free to interact with other people?
Hey, EJ, this is much more better than that. Oh yes. In fact, Onwukwe told me that I am now the chosen one. Oh yes, that I, Ikenga, has been favored by the gods. That my bloodline has been favored by the gods.
Nani, wait. This choosing one, have they chosen you to lead the war?
Hey.
There is no hey. How can the gods of our land choose to make me a widow at this early stage?
Hey. Did I speak of war? Did I say anything concerning war? You see, my wife, the gods have chosen your husband, your father, to be the next king of Idani Kingdom. Oh yes!
Yeah. Papa, what sort of joke is this? Please, Papa, please stop this. This joke is too expensive now.
Yes, Papa, I know that you're worried about our situation, but can you stop hallucinating? We have accepted our fate as it is.
I am very, very much surprised that you people are seeing this thing from different angles. Do I look like a joker to you? Have I ever joked before? I am telling you what Onwukwe, my only friend, the only man who has stood behind us in the entire Idani Kingdom told me. And you are saying it is a joke, it is this, it is that.
Nine. This thing you said in front of our children, are you joke? Stop pulling our legs so.
Amuche.
Nine.
Since I married you, see, have I ever pulled this your leg before? The gods have chosen your father to be king of Ida and a king. Don't worry, eh? Onwukwe told me that very soon, very soon, the Ezemo will tell the elders to summon me, so that the coronation rites will begin.
Hey.
Don't worry, very soon.
So I will become a princess soon.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
We'll be the prince. Idani! Finally, you remembered us.
Oh, yes, so.
Hey, who the gods has blessed, no man can curse.
Exactly, my wife. In fact, this calls for a very big celebration.
Exactly.
Yes, we will celebrate it very, very well. Abuche, me and you, we will start this celebration. Go and play, eh?
Igwe, let me Igwe.
Long.
Hey, come back here, Ikenga. Come back here. What is the meaning of this? So I am now too small, or that you are uninformed, or that you are just arrogant, or that you don't know your place in this kingdom anymore. How dare you, son of a thief, walk past me, the prospective king of this kingdom, without at least greeting? You're supposed to bow and greet me. Just walk past. Are you mad?
King. Prospective king. Of which kingdom? Is it this Idani kingdom or another one? How?
You know, I won't blame you. I won't blame him. Because he's uninformed. He's excommunicated.
You are right.
Banished. He's not relating with people. So how is he going to get information?
No, he will not know.
He's in the dark. Let me tell you. I'm just giving you the information. Because I'm in a very happy mood, as you can see. And we don't know, with the kingmaker of the kingdom. I, Ogadi, the only son of Okosisi, the DG of Idane, the richest man in the whole Idane. I am the chosen one, anointed king by the gods, and I'm going to rule over you and your entire wretched generation. Yes, that is the information I have for you. So next time you see me, you bow down and greet your king.
You, Ogadi, the anointed one, the chosen one by the gods. Ogadi, is the kingship now the other way around? Ask him, Kanjogi.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean?
Anyway, I do not have anything to say to you. But let us just suppose, should in case if Oburuna you become the next king of Idane kingdom. Ogadi, I am not your mate. So even if you become king tomorrow, Ogadi, you must acknowledge the fact that I am not your mate. No problem. Go the bagodi. Oh no. Let me go and check my traps in the bush. Can go.
If not for this gun, this man will be a buyer. Bamwaka. I'm respecting the gun. Just the gun. Did you hear what he said? He said his kingship by the other way around. Does it mean that someone has told him something? Because this information, not the direct.
No, I don't think so. He doesn't know anything. We all agree that nobody will tell him. And I know that he's in the dark.
Nobody.
Yes.
I am bothered. We have to hasten up with all these arrangements. Because I'm beginning to be afraid. Though. This question, this guy, Jorona,
there's nothing to be afraid of, Ogadi.
When are they coming? I mean Ikuku and his people. When are they coming?
By dusk tomorrow.
Dusk tomorrow?
Yes.
Let's go to
the Shrine and see him.
We have to go. But
go.
All these places. But I need to be king because
don't worry.
All this is
it gets to that
that is the factory. Can I let me continue showing you that because I can win a number.
Are you saying that there's nothing the gods can do about this revelation? Ever since you mentioned the Kenga, everybody is angry. It seems like nobody wants him. What do we do?
Nobody.
Oh no, you are just speaking like you have forgotten our tradition. Whenever the gods makes a revelation, no one can go against it. They are always wise.
Ezemo, not in this scenario.
Not in this one.
Eh? Not in this scenario. Nobody wants Ikenga. How can a man that has been an outcast, an ostracized man, how can he be the king of Idan kingdom? It's not possible. By the way, we just saw him going a moment ago. Hope he's not coming from here.
Oh yes. He left here moments ago.
Yeah, what even let you? I hope you did not reveal this secret to him.
There is nothing to hide. I already told him what the gods said.
Hey, you better no. I said, no.
What do you mean?
You would have done that now.
Ezemo, you shouldn't have told him about this. We wanted to invite him specially. So we come on with him and prepare him for this. You shouldn't have told him. Well,
what are you saying?
It's okay, Ogadi. Ogadi, it's okay. Ezemo, as you said that there's nothing that can be done about it, and we have to accept it. We have to go home and prepare. Ogadi, let's go home and prepare for the next king, the creation of our next new king. Let's go home. Don't worry. Ezemo, we will take our leave. Let's go and prepare for him.
Oyi Natumba. He who dances the dance of Makaba knows not that Makaba is the dance of the spirits. Birds of identical plumage congregate in propinquity. Oyi Natumba.
Ikuku ama n'ọnya. Odogwu na onwe ya. Like I told you, I want a clean job. I don't want any mistake. Just do this job. Let nobody suspect. I know what you can do, and I trust you.
No, you speak like you do not know Ikuku Amanonya again. I deliver with utmost care. Just sit and watch how things unfold. I am Ikuku Amanonya and I do not make mistakes.
Name your price. Just name your price. Whatever it is, I, Ogadimma, will pay.
Like I told Onowu before, 1 bag of cowries, 1 big goat is what I take for jobs like this. And it must be delivered to me immediately the job is done. No one dares owe Ikuku Amanonya.
Oh, you? Do you even know who you are dealing with? Go and ask around. I am Ogadimma. Money is my second name. Just do a clean job. And whatever that you have just mentioned here, I will pay you double. You understand? Deliver the job.
All right then.
Okay. I am happy now.
Utayeshi.
He will deliver.
Onya.
He will deliver. I'm seeing him. I am happy now.
Come here.
Happy now. Now I'm happy. What I know, no can.
Ogadi,
Go after her! What?
doing here? I'll take that as a thank you. But we need to leave here. Come with me.
How did you find me? I mean, who brought you to me?
Obuide never abandons its own.
What do you mean?
Do you remember the last time you helped me? My daughter, please help me and place this firewood on my head.
Okay. This firewood is too heavy.
No, my daughter, I can't carry it.
No. Let me take it to your hut for you.
But you are going somewhere.
Where I'm going can wait. After I drop it at your hut, then I will continue.
Are you sure?
Yes, I insist. It is too heavy for you.
Okay. Thank you. Oh.
Going to help you drop it at your hut.
No, my daughter. My children will come here and carry it.
Are you sure?
Thank you very much.
Okay, Nne, I shall leave now.
Okay, my daughter. But please, before you go, kneel down. Let me bless you. May the gods bless you.
Ise.
May the gods protect you.
Ise.
May the gods guide and lead you.
Ise.
You can stand up, my daughter. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nni.
Ogadi. Eh?
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that he's the same Obuide that rescued me when those men tried to kill me?
Yes. Go after.
Please, I beg you. Please do not hurt me. I beg you.
Hey! Hey!
Obuide never abandons his own. You must go back to your people.
Eh? Which people? The people that killed my father, my family. Which people? The people that ostracized us? They are not my people.
You can't run away from your roots. You must go back, my daughter.
So that they will kill me the same way they killed my family. I am the only surviving child of my father. I cannot go back.
No one can harm you because you are protected by your breeding. You must go back and avenge your parents' deaths.
But how? They are much stronger than me. How do I do that?
Come with me.
Why will you allow her to escape? Your mission is to wipe out everybody in that family.
It's okay, Onowu. I think everything is still under control. That girl is not our problem. Ikenga was our issue. Do you understand? Because since I was born, I've never heard that a woman sat on the throne of our fathers. As long as Ikenga and his son are dead, I think we have gotten what we wanted. Because that girl can keep wandering for all I care. She will die somewhere. She will just die away. You understand? Even if she returns, she's not a problem. She's just a girl. I think he did a nice job. You did a nice job. Yes.
It's okay.
I lost 2 of my warriors in the process because Ikenga took them unaware. But I took him out myself.
It's okay.
He was indeed a great warrior.
It's okay. It's okay. I am going to double everything that I have promised you.
Yes.
Just to say sorry for your men that you lost.
Yes.
So don't worry. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it up to you. It's okay. You have had your doings and you have done it again for us. Thank you very much.
May the gods forbid that I have the blood of the anointed on my hands.
Now, Wagaba. Now, Wagaba.
Now,
more.
Now, mother.
That girl is not our problem, so don't bother about it.
Esin, we told you that there's something wrong somewhere.
What do you mean, Obiekwe?
Ikenga died mysteriously. He was obviously killed by the god because he was evil. That's why they struck him dead.
Onowu, the gods cannot harm whom they are blessed. Ikenga was never evil. He was a humble hunter, living his small life with his small family. If anything has happened to him, Know it that he was killed by men.
Furthermore, it's obvious that Ikenga was killed by the god because he was evil. The gods want us to choose our king ourselves. So what we want to know is, when is the next appointment going to be?
Oh no, do not utter such words again. Because the gods cannot harm whomever they choose to bless.
Furthermore, the matter on ground is this. Since Ikenga is dead, when are we appointing the next king?
Oh no, I will make some consultations to know the killers of Ikenga. Then I will commune with the gods for the next step to follow. Till then, nothing will happen.
So you mean we should remain without a king? For how long? Till when?
Till the gods reveals the new king.
Furthermore, why are you like this? Why are you making things difficult for us? Furthermore, what sort of person are you? How can you be doing this to us? Obiekwe, let's get out of here. I don't understand this. What is Ezemo trying to prove? Is it that you don't want us to have a king in this kingdom, or what? I believe something fishy is really going on in this kingdom. The death of Ikenga has proven that he's offended the god. The gods killed him for the offense. So what are we waiting for?
Why are you all standing as if you don't know what happened to Ikenga?
What happened to him?
Ikenga was not killed by the gods. Ikenga was killed by humans. And very soon, the whole communities that surround our kingdom will find out. And you all are aware of that.
Onwukwe,
yes.
Are you really stupid? Or something is wrong with you? What are you saying? What happened to Ikenga? Are we Ikenga's keeper? Or are we the gods that killed Ikenga? What is your problem? Stop saying what you don't know.
I can't be part of this evil. My hands are clean. Whatsoever a man sows, that he will reap. And remember, a river cannot flow into a forest without falling down a tree. I'm out of here.
My friend, go! Get out!
Enokwa, did Onwukwe just walk out on us? We must stop him before he implicates us.
Implicate who? That fly? He's a nobody. Don't bother yourself about him. He's no match to us. We have bigger problems to tackle here. The kingship, not that fool. So just ignore him.
Ignore him? No. Did I hear you say ignore him? Don't underestimate Onwukwe. There is much a man can do. Moreover, we must not let this slide, Odogu.
Not this one. Not him. He can't do anything. We own this kingdom. We control this kingdom. Everything that happens here, we decide. So he's a nobody to threaten us. What are we going to do? Well, how are we going to face this? That is my concern.
Well, my take is this. We have to end this meeting now and go home and reconvene in the next meeting. So as we go, we think of what to do next. How to tackle the Ezemo.
And get also this man that just left here.
I forget the man.
Oh, tell him to also return all the monies I've given to him.
I will do
that.
That
Is very important. All the cowries have been given to him. He should
do
return them.
It's a must. He must.
Gods of vengeance, come and dwell in this place. Come! 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 No! No! Ha! My daughter, anytime you seek vengeance, walk in here and call Obide 2 times. An arrow of vengeance shall appear. Send it to kill anyone that troubles you. As long as the person is evil, it shall do whatever you want. Obide! Nnukwu arụsị! Nnukwu arụsị! Deme! Deme! Deme!
This is going to be a difficult battle. It is a 50-50 battle, and I might end up losing my life.
Aye. Ikukwamanoya, you are a great warrior. Kingdoms trembles at the mentioning of your name. As I was told, you have wrestled even the demons and you conquered them. You are going to conquer this time. Please.
Ikukwamanoya, please, you are our only hope. Please don't turn us down.
Please.
Please.
Biko.
Greetings.
Ah. Ilibada.
Wanyama. No.
Stay inside there. No need. So as I was saying, tell me what I will pay. Whatever it is that you want, I will make it available. I will pay. As long as the Ezemo will be taken out. Please. I can't wait to become the king of this kingdom. That is the only thing that is left for me. I have achieved every other thing. But I want to wear the crown. Because Nanya Bungara Koselem. Please.
Ikuku. Odogu said you should name your prize. Whatever it is. He's capable of doing it.
Whatever it is.
Ikukwamanoya. Are you with us?
Yes. As I was saying, it is going to be a difficult task.
That is why I said that you should name your prize.
Yes.
If you could mention what you want me to do for you, whatever it is, I will make it available. Name your prize. I will make it happen.
Well, if only she will be mine. 2 plots of lands, 5 bags of calories. Then I have nothing to worry.
Okay, 2 plots of land. I understand. 5 bags of calories. I also understand. I can even make it 10. But if Ulunke, if only she will be mine. I don't understand. So explain.
What
is that supposed to mean?
If only the maiden that just left here will be mine. She is beautiful, just like the goddess of the sun, Mirima. If only she will be mine, then I have nothing to worry.
Let me tell you, if that is what it will take for me to be the next king of this kingdom, if that is what it will take for me to be the next king of this kingdom, then there is no problem. After all, no sane maiden in this kingdom or anywhere will reject a very strong warrior like you. I know that my younger sister will be happy to be with you. You want my younger sister to be with you? You don't have a problem. You can even have her even this night.
No. I must get married to her according to the custom and tradition of our land.
If that is the case, take Ezemo out of the way, fix a date, I will sponsor the traditional marriage. I will do everything.
Very well.
Very well. Okugulagu. Okugulagu. Yeah. We are hopeful.
Why are you worried about me? You must go to your homes and relax. I am Ikuku Amanonya, and I do not go back on my words. Go home and leave everything to me. This battle is a battle of life and death. If I win, I am a living legend. If I die a legend. You must be in your homes, because out here is dangerous for you. This clash of battle of power might end your lives. Go home and relax.
I was worried. I have to be sincere. I was very worried when you were not here. But now that you are here, I can now go home and expect a good news. Expect a good news.
I have to go home with you. I can't stay alone. I'm afraid. What if Ezemo wins?
How can you say that? Why? You are sounding like a coward suddenly. Why are you sounding like this? This man that I'm seeing here is half spirit, half human. It's like you did not look into his eyes. What I saw there can devour 100 Ezemo. 100! So don't be a coward, be confident. This man is going to bring victory. Ezemo,
Ogadi, don't underestimate Ezemo. Ezemo, I don't know how to tell you this. Ezemo is stronger. He can do undo.
I don't understand you. Leslie, I don't understand you.
I'm afraid.
You brought this man, projecting him, telling me. You told me that this man is a spirit that can destroy Ezemo. Yes. Now you are not projecting Ezemo as if Ezemo is indestructible.
I'm not projecting Ezemo. I'm just afraid.
You are afraid of what? Don't behave that way. Let's go. Don't be a coward.
How dare you enter my kingdom? Who are you and what do you want?
Ezemo, Omungobu Ikuku. Ikuku Amanonya. The priest that can never be trapped.
You want to be Ikuku Amanonya? Ikukugi Damakononya. What do you want?
Your head, Ezemo. Your head.
My head? Ijukwarese. Kime egwu mmiri, ime egwu ọkụ.
Like I said, Ezemo, Omungobu Ikuku. Ikuku nada Amanonya. And I have come for your head because you are evil.
Silence! Quiet! Before I teach you what the fire does with the right ear. You have really trespassed. And I shall teach you what it means to be.
I cannot wait for you to cry, Ezemo.
Ikuku Amanonya! Ikuku Amanonya!
Ezemo! No! I thought you said you were indestructible. Ezemo, show yourself! Come and show your power! Omubi Ikuku! Ikuku Amanonya!
What?
When the child says that his mother will not sleep, he also will never sleep. I warned you. How dare you follow me down to this place? I am Ngwengwenegodo Nhegwodregodo. I serve Ajirija. I am indestructible. No man born of a woman can harm me. The one.
You lie, Ezemo. You lie. Omunwabu Ikuku. Ikuku Manonya. The priest that can never be trapped. Ezemo. When the river flows through the forest, it brings down trees and even the innocent suffers.
When the lizard dwells too long by the river bank, it ends up serving as a meal in the belly of a crocodile. No one comes in this form and return the same. Be careful.
Ezemo.
Leave before it is too late.
Ezemo. You have desecrated the same oracle of Ajirija you claim to serve by sleeping with your brother's wife. Ezemo. Your doom must come! Ha ha ha! Ezemo! Ezemo! Okilikili kana buko sadali enu. Okilikili kana buko sadali enu.
No! Azrija! This is not Azrija! Azrija! Never! Never! This is not.
What just happened? I can barely you. What happened? Hey! Odogun, your friend here, man.
We are finished. And do you know what it means?
Hey!
We are finished. How? Ambition.
Huh? What is it? What is it?
Alumen. On my way back from the farm, I saw the body of the Ezemo lying lifeless on the road.
Ezemo or Ezemo?
Yes. How do you think I can lie with something so serious like this?
Come. What are you saying? Are you sure what you are saying?
Yes, if you want, you can come with me so you can go and confirm.
No, you don't need to. You can go, my son. You can go. Go. Oh my God.
Are you sure he's dead? Or you just saw him lying down and think that he's dead?
Lying down, bush, or is it our bedroom? He said inside bush, roadside, our bedroom. Yeah, can I say more?
Okay, look at Ikuku. He's coming.
Hey! Ikuku Amanonya! The greatest warrior of all time. Amanonya, man. Hey! Amanonya, man.
Ikuku Amanonya.
Ikuku Amanonya.
You're welcome.
If I want to use eteka, agwe megi foji bulagwo. Makana agwe meli foji bulagwo. Umaze wale akenko.
Are you saying that Ezemo is dead?
You don't know what else.
The deed is done.
Hey! Where are they? Yeah! How?
Come and sit down. Cool down. Cool off so that.
No need for that, Odogu. I need to get to my shrine first.
He's right.
I only came to show myself to you.
Let me just tell you. Everything that we agreed upon, times 2.
Hey!
Times 2.
Odogu!
Cowardice. Plots of land. You can take everything.
Odogu!
Oh no!
Hey!
I am the next king of this kingdom.
Igwe!
Igwe! Oh no! I'm going to marry another wife for you.
Another wife?
Another wife.
I don't have ways to do more now.
Igwe was it?
And what doesn't?
Ihubeni yaka. Oh no,
Nehu yaka.
Ihubeni yaka.
Hey, Odogu alam baby gebum. You know the reason for this meeting. There is no real beating around the bush. The SMO is dead and gone. Thank God for removing him out of the way. What remains now is for us to fix a date on when to crown Ogadi here, the king of Idane kingdom.
Oh no, it is too early. We just lost our great Dibia. Let us accord him his due respect. Huh? Let us wait till after his burial so that the people will not suspect us.
Suspect us as what? Suspect as what? That old fool is dead and gone. We are living, we will continue living our lives. Life goes on, my life must go on. What is it?
Ogadi, calm down. Obiekwe here has a point. Yes. The people, Yatamu, Ntamu. Let us bury the SMO first. Then we do the needful. Nobody is dragging this king.
Evil elders of Idani. Our people says, Ofekimaro Obodagu. You killed my family. You killed Onwukwe. As if that was not enough. You eliminated the SMO when he tried standing in your way. The reward, your evil, is death.
Will you shut up, you straight-up brat? Shut up before I shut it myself for you. Is something wrong with you? Don't you know that you are talking to the elders of the land? If you open your mouth again, I will shut it for you.
You will do no such thing, Onowu. I am EJ, and I am protected. You shall reap what you sow. The earth shall swallow you up. The water in your veins shall dry up, and the air you breathe shall turn to fire. All of you will beg for death, and death you shall not see.
You spoiled child. It is obvious that your parents did not train you well before they died. Will you get out from this place before I lose my
I can't imagine that you elders are ranting with this little girl. What are you dragging with her? What is the problem? Allow this girl to mourn her dead parents in peace. Honestly, I understand her situation right now. I feel for her. I know what she's going through. And from what I see, she needs comfort. She needs somewhere to call a home. You should understand it. What I'm going to do for her is that I am going to take her in as one of my wives when I become king. At least to comfort her.
When you become king, you say?
That is it. You will be my queen. Go and
get out of here. Listen, why should you allow this little brat to come here and insult elders of the land?
No, I can't believe that you are saying this. You just heard that I said that I'm going to make her one of my wives. I like what I saw. Do you know one thing I admire about her? Her bravery. You can see that. She's a very strong maiden. She's going to make a good queen. She's going to make a good queen. I saw something you did not see. I was seeing bravery. She will warm my bed, my royal bed. You should be happy for me. Let us continue with the plans. I can't wait to become king.
Ogadi. Like Obiekwe said before, we have to wait after the burial of the SMO. Then we'll call this meeting again.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
So we have to...
What do I think we should do is to fix the burial. We should fix the burial for tomorrow. Nobody will do that for us. Fix the burial. I will provide everything necessary for the burial.
Tomorrow?
I mean, noko. Ikuku Amanonya, the greatest warrior of our time. Ikuku Burumadu Buomo. This is Ikuku Amanonya, my very good friend from the neighboring kingdom, and a very great warrior, the greatest warrior of our time. Know what we discussed? He is here. He wants you to be his wife, and I am sure you have accepted to marry him. Sure. Yeah.
Ikoko, I have to say this to your face. I cannot marry you.
Why? What happened?
Odogu, I told you something already. I have somebody I love. I cannot marry Ikoko or whatever his name is to end up being a second wife. Please, I won't. I don't know whatever business both of you have, but I can't be used to pay for a debt. Never.
Shut up! Just keep quiet. Is this how you want to welcome your husband to be? Even no manners. As you go to your husband to be, my friend.
Never. I won't marry him.
Come back! Don't step an inch. Come back here. Come back here. Napwala, come back here. Napwala, you want to walk out on me?
Odogu, what is the meaning of this nonsense? No one has ever humiliated me this way. This is the height of it. And I must leave at once. But before then, if I fail to see her in my house in the next Eke Market day, I will come for you. And you will not like me. Odogu, while coming, you must come with 2 white fowls, 2 kola nuts, and 2 eggs. Failure to do so, Odogu. Failure to do so.
If I have enemies, somebody's. Have you seen it? You're like a woman in Ikuku now. Have you seen it? Let me tell you, Makachuku, you must marry Ikuku, whether you like it or not.
I will not marry him. I won't. What is your problem, Odogu? It's always about you. Why are you so self-centered? I will not marry him. And that is fine now.
Come here. I am the only family that you have. Only family that you have. And you must do whatever I ask you to do. You must do whatever. You must marry him. I don't want to die. I told me you must marry Ikuku. He's good for you. He will be good for you. All you treat you of man, a great warrior. Now, you must marry him.
This time around, you fail because I will not marry him. And there is nothing you will do about it.
The truth is a quiver. You are working out on me. This girl, why everything is turning around? Everything is just crumbling. Come back here! Come back here!
Obuide! Obuide! Great deity of vengeance. Come! Okonkwo has a hand in the deaths of my parents and my brother. I want you to punish him and his entire family with death. Go! Go!
What is this? Please don't kill me.
I told you you were going to pay. You conspired against my father and killed him. Now, you are going to pay. And that punishment is death. You will bleed to death. Enjoy your ride to hell.
I am suspected, not even suspected, I am sure that Ikuku is behind all these killings. Yes. I don't know what I did to my sister. She has refused to marry him. And I'm sure it is because of it that he wants to get back at us. I have told this girl, get married to this man. She said no. Now look at the ripple effect.
Why will she refuse to marry him?
I don't even know.
We cannot be dying like this. Why can't he just marry another maiden and accept the other gifts that we present to him?
Exactly.
Oju,
he just wants to frustrate our life.
I don't understand. I have told this man. Mention, what do you want? Do you want land? Osino and Ate, we said he likes goat. Let me give you dozens of goat. Osino. That no one my sister. He wants to die. I don't even understand. Let me get other maidens because I have the money to convince other people. I don't even know what is wrong with that girl. I don't even know what is wrong with her.
You need to convince her.
You caused this. Let me not say I blame you, but you brought this upon us. If I were in so, how can somebody use his money and buy trouble? You bought trouble.
Ogadi.
No, wait. I'm not trying to get on your nerves. I'm trying to say the obvious. Because I don't know Tonyade. How can somebody use it? The day I saw this young man, I saw trouble. I was sensing that trouble. You remember what happened? He was going. That was a sign of what is about to come. Now it is coming.
Ogadi, you bargained your sister with him. That was not our initial agreement here. When you bargained your sister, I was not there.
That is the issue. He came out of excitement. Out of excitement, whatever you point to take.
So why are you blaming me?
I don't know. That one is my fault. But now, what are we going to do? You see that, my sister? Even if it means for me to tie hand rope here, I will do it.
Then do that.
Because I don't want to die. I'm talking about becoming the king. This girl, another problem. I'm looking at the throne. And she's trying to frustrate all my effort. I won't let that happen. No. I won't let it happen.
It won't happen.
Never.
Please do so to save us all.
I'm going to do it. I'm afraid here. I'm afraid. I don't want to die.
Adora, what are you still doing there? Adora!
I told you you would pay. Conspired against my father and killed my family. Now look. The punishment is death. And now, Your innocent family is paying for your evil deeds. You shall pay it.
So it is you that did this to me. It is you. You took my family. You have killed all I have. It is you. You must...
Ogadi!
Imagine what my eyes just saw. I was so shocked that I couldn't even move for 2 minutes. I can't believe that EJ is responsible for all the killings in this our kingdom. What could be her reason for killing people?
Are you not in this village again? Rumor has it that her family were wiped out by the elders.
Yeah.
So I guess she's just avenging her family's death.
I understand her pains. It's not easy for one to lose her loved ones just in a day. But then, the killings and the bloodshed in this our kingdom is too much. I'm even afraid I could die someday. She might kill me someday. Oh.
Have you done any evil to any man before?
No, Mbakwa.
So why are you saying you are not safe? I am sure she is not harming any innocent soul. So please, I am very, very safe.
You are safe? Okay, I'm safe. I heard that EJ built a shrine for herself. She's so powerful that no one can even cross her path anymore.
The gods are by her side. Let's go.
Thank you, the great deity of vengeance. Thank you for granting my request.
What is it?
Odogu. It seems like the gods has abandoned us all. Yes. Ọ bụrụ na ndị okenye niile nwụcha, kedu onye ga-anọ mgbe a ga-echi gị igwe? If all the elders are killed, who will witness your coronation?
Oh no. Does it matter if all the elders are alive before I will be crowned king? Or even all the elders here didn't do before I will be igwe? Oh no, the most important thing is that I am made king. Even if it's only you that is left behind, you are okay for me. Women, see, wear me the crown and I will rule over these people. That is the most important thing. We don't need all the people. It's not necessary.
Who will act as your Ezemo? Another Ezemo has not emerged.
Is that even a problem? That is not a problem. Oh no, we can appoint anybody to act as Ezemo on that day. You can even do the two things together.
Alo.
I will say to you to act as Onowu and Ezemo at the same time.
Alo.
Wear me the crown, give me the mantle of authority. That is all. We don't need all these things. The most important thing is for us to make sure that we are safe to play our games on that day. First of all, I have to take my sister by force to Ikuku so that Ikuku will leave us alone. Because if you leave that young man, he might come on that day to disrupt the occasion. And I don't want that. Another thing is this. You know, you suggested that we should use my sister to poison him. Now, I have come to the realization that we have to do that. Because the way I'm seeing him, he won't stop asking for more. The way I'm seeing that young man, one day he might come for my throne, and that is impossible for my dead body. So we are going to use my sister to poison him so that he will die and die forever.
I suggested this in the first time. Yes. The first day you refused. Now, thank God you are thinking in that direction. Ogadi, whatever you are trying to do it fast. I don't want to die.
Is it me that want to die and leave the throne of our people? I am the king. I am the king. Let me tell you. I am a mepego now. My eyes not as red. And I'm not as red. Anybody that steps on the way, I will crush that person. Only not choose on war, only not choose on bear. Go and prepare. The most important thing now is for you to fix the date for the coronation, so that I will wear the crown. Henceforth, we are the rulers of this kingdom. And it will say anything that we say it will be, it will be. Go and prepare. Whatever you will catch more things. You catch more plots of land. It's not possible.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's not possible.
Go
and prepare. Prepare. I must be the king of this kingdom, whether they like it or not. I have invested so much. I can't fail now. It's not possible. I can't fail now. Impossible.
You are evil and wicked. How can you be this evil to your own sister? How did you even come up with the plans of taking Obina's life? You are evil. How? Why? He was innocent. He did nothing to you.
I don't know what you are talking about. I don't.
You think I don't know, right? I saw you giving bag of cowries to the same person that killed Obina in his farmland. You are wicked. You are inhuman.
It's all your fault. Your fault, yes. If you had done what I asked you to do, Obina wouldn't have died. Yes. Yes. Now he's dead. The only option left for you now is to marry Ikuku. That is it.
Never! Never. I won't marry Ikuku. No matter what you do to me, I won't marry
you. You looked me in the eyes and said, never to me.
Yes.
Ogadi. And I doesn't challenge. And I don't challenge. Chalana Mabia. We are going to their kingdom now.
Marriage is not my fault. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
A man who is desperate can do anything. Ogadi, you are evil, and you shall pay for your evil deeds. I am EJ, and I am your nemesis.
You, my nemesis. It's like you're not seeing what I'm holding. If you you, my nemesis, in Apwala. Step up. Let me pass. In Apwala.
Ogadi, today is your judgment day, and today you shall die.
Me die?
Obuide!
Oh, no, Obu what? What is this? What is this? What is this? Hey! No!
Oma! You are free to marry whoever your heart chooses.
Listen, you killed my brother! Why will you kill my brother? You killed my brother, Ije! Ije, you killed my brother! My only brother! Ogadi, wonder! Ije, no!
The great one, please spare my life. It is not my fault. It was Ogadi who fell to...
Shut up, Ono. No one dares Ikuku and goes scot-free.
No, I can't do that.
You both planned to poison me with his sister, Oma.
No! I'm not involved.
And you thought I wouldn't find out. I am Ikuku Omanonya. And I see even the thoughts of your heart. You are evil.
No, we'll be working together.
You are selfish. And men like you are not supposed to live amongst reasonable men.
Please. Please.
For plotting evil against me. You shall pay with your blood.
No, now. No, Ikuku. Ikuku, no. Ah!
Oma.
Oh, you are Ikuku?
Yes. I am Ikuku. Oma, have I done anything wrong to you? Is it a crime to love you?
Please, Ikuku. I'm still mourning my late brother. I also know you don't love me. You don't. You and my late brother know the reason you want to make me your wife. Please, please. I want to marry for love. Please.
I'm so sorry about your late brother's death. But you're getting the whole thing wrong. I honestly love you. Yes. I loved you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. And ever since, I've not stopped thinking about you.
Can you swear by the gods that you love me?
Oma, I am Ikuku. And I mean every word that I say.
I'll marry you then.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I just want to be where I'm loved.
You're sure it is from your heart?
Yes, I'm sure. What? Are you okay?
I will be with you soon.
Ikuku! 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 Is everything alright? Ikuku!
You're welcome, Nne. I want to sincerely thank you for helping me avenge my parents' death. I will forever remain grateful to you.
You're welcome, my daughter. Moving forward, Adrija, the oracle of your land, told me he has chosen another servant. Igirigi, the oldest man in Idani, is the next Ezemo of your kingdom.
But how will Igirigi know he is the chosen one?
I will deliver the message to him today. He is the chosen one as the eyes of the gods. Adrija will direct him on what next to do to cleanse the land of all the atrocities committed by the previous Onowu and his accomplices.
Okay, wise one. Thank you for coming to visit.
My daughter, the offspring of Ikenga is somewhere. And they want him to be the king. But they did not reveal who the offspring is. They only revealed that the offspring is somewhere in Umago village.
Ezemo, I do not know of this offspring. How do I go about it?
His name is Ibezim. Ikenga had him in his youth before he got married. She hid it away from Ikenga because she was the only child of her parents. Her parents needed a male child, so she decided to give birth to the child so they can have an heir in the family. Her name is Ndidiamaka.
This is mysterious. Indeed, the ways of the gods are not the ways of man.
Send for him immediately. I will go right away to inform the next Onowu that our coronation is at hand. Ije, go now.
Light has finally come to Idani. May the gods be praised.
Ise.
This is Ibe.
Oh, okay. You can go now. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And who are you? Maiden, hope Ibe is safe.
Ibe, he was safe. The son of Lady Kinga of Idani.
Sorry, you obviously met the wrong person. Yes, I am Ibe, but I am not the son of Ikenga. Neither am I from Idani Kingdom. I am from Umagu. And this is my village. So, my dear, you are mistaken, okay?
It is obvious you do not know your roots.
Hey, watch your mouth. I know my roots. I am Ibe, the son of Udi, the great tapper. Eh?
Ibe, can we go somewhere so we can talk? This is not something we can talk while standing.
Say whatsoever you want to say here. I am not going anywhere. I've already told you are mistaken. Eh? I am not from any Idani, and my father's name is not Ikenga. Please.
I do not mean to make you uneasy or angry. But please, can we go to a quiet place so we can talk?
It's okay, no problem. Just leave the room. I'm after you. Go. I have to bring my coat on inside. I can't believe all this is happening. No one ever told me about all this. Not even my sister. She's married in a neighboring village.
What is her name?
Ndidi Amaka.
She's supposed to be your mother, not your sister.
Are you okay? What are you saying? Are you sure you are okay? Eh? You can't be serious. Because I'm sure of what I'm saying. She is my sister. Our mother had me when she was 17 years.
Honestly, I think they hid a lot from you. And Dijamaka is your mother, not your sister.
EJ or whatever you call yourself, I think you have overstayed your welcome. Please leave.
I
said leave.
I will leave. I will still be back to get my findings. I actually came to tell you that you have been chosen by the gods as the next king of Idani Kingdom, as an offspring of Ikenga.
What are you even saying? What is your problem? You want me to go insane? I can see it. That is your mission here. Leave my house. Leave my house now.
There is no need for you to ask her to leave. She's right. I am your mother, and Ikenga is your father from Idiani Kingdom.
How did you even know she's here in the first place? Yeah? And what are you doing here?
Adani. She came to me and summoned me to come and tell you the truth about your history, which has been hidden from you from birth.
This is rubbish. Absolutely nonsense. Because I am confused. I am confused. Ghost of our land, what is going on?
Greetings, Nne.
Greetings.
Behold, the next king of Idan. Esin, you are welcome.
Greetings, Esin. Greetings, the wise one.
How are you, my son?
I'm fine, wise one.
We shall get you ready for coronation. And do not get worried of anything. I said don't get worried of anything, for all is ready. We have even mapped out land where we shall build hut for your reign. Rejoice, my son. I say rejoice, for the gods has favored you.